Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is boneless fish curry. Now this is slightly spicy curry, but it's extremely flavorful. Now instead of fish, you can use potato, paneer with the same gravy, chicken, any other meat that you like, or you can make it vegan with soybean. Anything you like, the possibilities are endless. Let's see how to make it. Come on.
For this, we will need barista or fried onions. I have already shown how to make this in my mutton biryani video. The link is posted below. We are going to make a masala paste with this. I have fried the cashews in the same oil as the onion. We need a thick paste for this recipe. Perfect. Once this paste is ready, you have a lot of options to use this like I said earlier.
Now if you have the base ready, you can make this curry anytime.
Here I have boneless tilapia fillets, but you can use any boneless fish you like. We will season this and keep it on a slightly spicier side as this is a spicy masala fish curry. Take a look at the description box for the detailed recipe. Once this is marinated properly, we will sprinkle some rice flour for the masala to stay on the fish while cooking. Dab the rice flour evenly on all the pieces. Let this marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this curry requires slightly more oil than usual. These are the marinated fish pieces and we will sear them on both sides just for 30 seconds each. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe for a lot of yummy recipes posted every week. Lower the flame so that the fish does not stick to the bottom. Remove and keep aside while we make the curry. I'm using the same pot. We are going to cook this masala paste with the tomato paste until the oil separates. Salt will enhance the cooking process. See these oil bubbles? Now it's ready. Now we will go ahead with the curry. If you like less spicy, then reduce the chili powder quantity. Paprika will give a nice vibrant color to the curry. Give it a good mix and we will cook this further. Now here you can adjust the consistency of curry as per how you like. You can add more water if you wish and bring to a boil. I prefer using thick coconut milk for a rich texture of the gravy. All the cooking is on medium-low flame from now on. Once this comes to a rolling boil, we will add the fish pieces. Fresh green chilies and coriander will have a nice fresh flavor to the curry. Now be careful while mixing. The fish is very delicate and may break easily. We will continue to cook this on medium-low flame until the fish is cooked through and it doesn't take much time. One final garnish and we are ready to serve this awesome fish curry with some fresh steamed rice. Hope you like this recipe and thank you for watching.
So amazing, right? I know you are going to like this curry and definitely make it. Let me know in the comments below what you have used, what meat you have used, or any vegan, vegetarian version, anything. Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.